first thing to know about vent hoods is there is no requirement that your house actually have a vent hood. So it's not a building standards thing, it's not a code thing. There's no vent hood requirement here in central Indiana for kitchens. The other thing to know about vent hoods is that easily more than 50% of the vent hoods we look at don't actually vent, they simply recirculate the air. So really popular to have a built-in microwave over the cooktop that appears to have a vent hood in it, and all it does is blow the air out the top of the microwave. It's become a common design aesthetic over the last couple of years to have one that looks like it's vented outside, so you've got a sheet metal duct that appears to go up the wall of the kitchen, but if you look at the top of that duct, you'll actually see louvers on it, and again, it's a faux vent hood. It pulls air from around that cooktop, but then just exhausts it at the top of that fake vent. This one actually is vented outside, which is what in an ideal world we should see. So this is pulling all the water vapor and odors and aerosolized grease actually up through this little filtration system, and then it is exhausting it outside the house, which is what we want to see in a vent hood. But far too many of the vent hoods that we see these days actually they don't go anywhere, so they don't really do anything except recirculate that air around your kitchen. It actually has a grease trap on it.
Yes, but people don't clean them.
So inside of here would be completely covered with grease. The fans for this one are actually right here. So it would be covered with grease and dust and filth and nastiness, because most people don't ever go beyond cleaning the very front of this.
Home maintenance people.
Yes, absolutely. Remember, deferred maintenance is what kills houses and blows up inspections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.